Hello children, I am your GK book. My name is Mind Express, a book of general knowledge. Before I start the chapter, I would like to say the syllabus. So open your contents you see here. Yeah, done your content? Yes, here you will see total 50 chapters. But we will see few chapters so that you can learn easily. So you mark some chapters which is in your syllabus. Chapter 6 Winged Wonders, 7 Famous Monuments, 9 Scientific Tools, 10 Animal Sounds, 13 Group Words, 19 Constellations, 28 Fun with Letters, 33 Our Heritage, 34 Sports Stars, 35 Part by Part, 38 Who Eats What, 42 Great Indians, 43 Animals in Danger, 44 Unusual Homes, 45 Rivers of India, 46 Dress Parade, 48 Famous People, and 49 Natural Disasters. Okay, now we start our chapter 6. Open chapter 6. Chapter 6 is Winged Wonders. Here you can see many birds, all are different and attractive. Here name is not written, we have to write the name of these birds. Okay, first picture is this bird lives in water and on land. Name is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Second bird is, this is a water bird. It has pink feathers. What is the name? Flamingo. Spelling F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Now see the third picture. This bird cannot fly. There's a fruit that has the same name as this bird. Its name is kiwi. K-I-W-I, kiwi. Fourth is, this bird has a brightly colored beak which covers downwards. Name is toucan. Spelling is T-O-U-C-A-N. Now see the fifth picture. These bluebirds can make many types of sounds. See this bird, it is in blue color. So its name is blue jay. B-L-U-E, blue, J-A-Y, jay. Now picture 6. This bird has a crown of feathers on its head. See its head just like a crown. So its name is Hoppy. H-O-O-P-O-E. Hoppy. Done? Now next chapter we will see Famous Monuments. Chapter 7 Famous Monuments. As we know, in India lots of monuments, famous monuments like Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Qutub Minar. Okay, like that there are well known monuments in other countries too. Okay, here we will see some famous monuments of the world. First one, see triangular shape monuments. It is Great Pyramid of Giza. It is situated near Cairo, the capital of Egypt. Second, you see the Tower Bridge. It is in London. London, the capital of the United Kingdom. Third picture you can see this monument name is Colosseum. It is an oval shaped open air theatre. It is situated in Rome. Rome is the capital of Italy. Now fourth picture you can see some stones. Its name is Stonehenge. It is a ring of huge standing stones situated in Wiltshire, England. Now last picture you can see, it is from the back side. Its name is Merlion. It is in the national symbol of Singapore. It has the head of a lion and the body of a fish. So children, you have to learn all the monuments and you should know which monument where they are situated. Okay. Then now next our chapter is chapter 9, scientific tools. Here you can see some pictures. You have to write the name. I am telling the answer. Come on, write fast. First, when a person gets fever, the doctor checks the temperature using a thermometer. Spelling THERMOMETER. Okay. Then second, a dash helps us to see very small objects that we cannot see with the naked eyes. Microscope. 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 Then third picture is a telescope is used to view distant objects in the sky. Spelling of telescope TELESCOPE. Telescope. Then fourth is a measuring tape is used to measure the length of an object. Measuring MEASURING. Measuring TAPE. Tape. Then see fifth one, a dash shows in which direction the wind is blowing. Wind vane. Spelling of wind WIND. Wind VANE. Vane. Wind vane. Then third picture, the needle of a compass always points to the north. Here you have to fill compass. Spelling of compass COMPASS. Okay, done. Now last picture is the greengrocer weighs vegetables using a weighing scale. Spelling of weighing scale WEIGHING. Weighing SCALE. Scale. Okay, written. Very good. Then our next chapter is animal sounds. Okay, here you can see some pictures and middle their sounds. You have to match it. First is lion. Lion roars. Write there one number. Second is cock. Cock crows. Put there second number, 2 number. You can see how I have done, like that you have to write. Okay, don't match with the scale. Number 3, sheep. Sheep bleats. Number 4, cat. Cat mews. Fifth, donkey. Donkey brays. Number 6, snake. Snake hisses. 7, you can see the picture of dog. It barks. Then last picture is owl. Owl hoots. Okay, done. You write the number like this. Okay, so here I am closing my class. Okay children, thank you. God bless you.